In this tutorial, we'll show you how to configure events for real-time entity execution. These events detect specific business processes and allow sending record creations, updates, or deletions through the related entity. To configure an event for an entity, first, double-click the entity you want to set up. Click on Change to enter the entity's edit mode. In the entity's main configuration, identify the main customizing section. Then, click on the Change Doc Object section. Click the match code to view the available event options. In the list, locate and select the BOR or RAP event that matches your entity. For this example, the BOR event bus 2032 corresponds to the sales order event. Double-click the event to select it. Keep in mind that BOR events must be pre-configured in the SAP transaction during Onibex's Data Modeler installation. RAP events, on the other hand, should be configured beforehand using SAP Eclipse. After selecting the event, it will be configured to trigger the execution of this specific entity in real time whenever the event occurs. Finally, to save your configuration, click Save Customizing.